A well-balanced diet plays a pivotal role in managing diabetes and promoting overall well-being. For individuals living with diabetes, making informed dietary choices can help stabilize blood sugar levels, improve energy levels, and minimize potential complications. Here's a concise guide to crafting a suitable diet plan. 1. Carbohydrate management. Focus on complex carbohydrates like whole grains, legumes, and vegetables, as they release glucose more gradually. Monitor portion sizes and choose foods with a low glycemic index, GI, to prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar. 2. Fiber-rich foods. Include fiber-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and nuts. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, aids digestion, and promotes a feeling of fullness. 3. Lean proteins. Opt for lean sources of protein like poultry, fish, tofu, beans, and legumes. Protein-rich foods can help stabilize blood sugar levels and support muscle health. 4. Healthy fats. Embrace heart-healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats contribute to satiety and assist in managing blood sugar. 5. Portion control. Monitoring portion sizes is crucial to prevent overconsumption of calories and carbohydrates. Use smaller plates and practice mindful eating to avoid unnecessary snacking. 6. Regular meals. Aim for consistent meal timings and avoid skipping meals. This helps regulate blood sugar levels and prevents extreme fluctuations. 7. Sugary foods. Limit consumption of sugary snacks, beverages, and desserts. Opt for sugar-free alternatives and focus on natural sources of sweetness like fruits. 8. Hydration. Stay hydrated with water, herbal teas, and sugar-free beverages. Adequate hydration supports metabolism and helps maintain steady blood sugar levels. 9. Monitor blood sugar. Regularly monitor blood sugar levels as advised by your healthcare provider. This helps you understand how different foods affect your body and make necessary adjustments. 10. Individualized approach. Work closely with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional to create a personalized meal plan tailored to your specific needs, preferences, and health goals. Remember, diabetes management is a holistic journey that involves more than just food choices. Incorporating physical activity, stress management, and proper medication, if prescribed, is essential for comprehensive well-being. By embracing a balanced diet and adopting a healthy lifestyle, individuals with diabetes can lead fulfilling lives while effectively managing their condition. Always consult your healthcare team for personalized guidance and support.